So the 13th question we have is the equation of a line whose angle of inclination with the x-axis is pi by 4 such that the two circles x square plus y square equals to 4 and x square plus y square minus 10x minus 14 plus 65 equal to 0 intercepts equal length on it. So we have to find the equation of a line. Let's give you the concept. We have to find the equation of a line, we need either 2 points given by x1 y1 and x2 y2 x2 y2, or we can have a point and the slope. Use this, we can use the slope intercept form, where if one is given we can find the other from the given information from the equation. For this equation we already know that the slope is given by pi by 4, so m would be 10 of pi by 4, therefore m would be 1. So the equation of the line we have to find would be y equals to x plus c. So we only need to find the y-intercept of the line to find the equation of the line, and the problem will be solved. So how do we find c? The c we will find c from the rest of the information that is given in the question. Simplifying it, like just we write the whole equation on one side, gives x minus y plus c equals to 0. Okay. So now let's focus on the other part of the equation. It says that there are two circles. So let's just find the center and the radius of both the circles. Let us call this circle as C1 and this circle as C2. Okay. So the center of this circle C1 would be 0, 0, and the radius would be root 4, that is 2. For circle C2, for a general equation of a circle given by x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. For the general equation of a circle, the center is given by minus g comma minus f, and the radius is given by g square plus f square minus c. Using this, we find the center of the circle is given by minus g, 2gx. So 2g is given by minus 10. So g would be 5. G would be minus 5 and the minus g is 5. So this x coordinate is 5. And similarly, we find minus f. 2f is minus 14, minus f is 7. So the center of the second circle is 5, 7, and the radius is given by 25 plus 49 minus 65, that is 9. Therefore, the radius of the second circle is 3. So let's just call this circle as R2 and this radius as R1. Okay. So equation says that the line intercepts equal length on both the circles. The line intercepts a circle, therefore we can say that the line is a chord of a circle. So for a line intercepting a circle, the chord, that for arbitrary circle where the center is given by x1 y1 with a radius of r, the length, the distance of the center of circle from the chord would be p, where p would be ax1 plus by1 plus c whole mod upon under root a square plus b square. So this is the perpendicular distance from the center to the chord, where x1 y1 are the point from where the distance we need, and the ax plus b plus c is the equation of the chord. So and for this and this, it's a perpendicular bicycle, therefore both the both sides of the chord would be of same length. So using the Pythagoras theorem, we have this equals to under root r square minus p square, and it's the total length of the chord would be 2 root r square minus p square. So we know we know the length of the chord. The question says that the line intercepts of equal length. If they are of equal length, therefore the length of the chord must be equal for both the circles. So we know that the length of the chord for first circle would be 2 root r1 square minus p1 square and the support circle C2 would be R2 square minus P2 square, where P1 is given by the distance of the line from the center of C1 and P2 is given by the distance of the line from the center of C2. Let's just find P1 and P2. So we have P1 equals to mod of we have A equals to 1, B equals to minus 1, C equals to C, and the point x1, y1 is 0, 0, 0 for the first circle. So it gives 1 into 0 minus 1 into 0 plus the mod upon root a square plus b square is 1 plus 1, that is 2. P2 is given by mod of a is 1, b is minus 1, c is c, and the center and the point is given by 5, 7. So it gives 1 into 5 plus minus 1 into 7 plus c whole mod by root 2. We square on both the sides. It gives r1 square minus p1 square equals to r2 square minus p2 square. R1 is given by 2, that is 4, minus p1. P1 is 0 plus 0 plus c by 2 square. C square root 2 plus 2 equals to R2. R2 is given by 3. So R2 square is 9 minus P2 square. P2 is given by 5 minus 7, that is minus 2. Minus 2 plus c whole mod by root 2. H whole square is given by c square plus 4 minus 4c by 2. It gives 8 minus c square equals to 18 minus c square minus 4 plus 4c. C square will be cancelled. 18 minus 10 is 6. So it gives c equals to it's 14 minus 6 by 4. Therefore, c would be minus 3 by 2. So we have found the c. So the equation of the line would become x minus y minus 3 by 2 equals to 0. Simplifying, we get 2x minus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. So this is the equation of the line which we designed.